Here, Dennis, slide here. This side. Here, this side.
Up na, Danis.
Go up.
Ate! Ate, come here. Sa hermit crab? Hermit crab. Yeah.
When they have no shell, when they grow up, they will become a fully grown crab.
I think so. What about you, Danish? What do you think?
We already catch a crab.
And?
When they grow into a crab and we cook it. Because we're going to cook it. Because I know it's not going to... I'll keep it in the fish tank forever. And just look at it. What? just show it on the camera. No. Oh, get. Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Picture now.
I already took a picture.
I
Say
want to.
something to the hermit crab.
I want to see the picture.
No, not yet.
Look
Ate,
look at found a hermit crab and they're gonna make it as a pet.
Yeah.
It's a hermit crab. Mommy, did you picture it?
Yeah. The hermit crab is moving.